Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to publish a Roblox game. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. After finishing your Roblox game in Roblox Studio guys, make sure you to save your progress and upload your game file to Roblox servers guys. To do this, click on file, click on save to Roblox as. Here you can save your current game to your Roblox profile guys. You just need to overwrite a current game slot or select to save it as a new game. When selecting to overwrite a Roblox game, Roblox Studio will allow you to save multiple places guys. This means that you can save your current project as a new place in your game guys, or save it as completely new game guys. Click on it and it will be saved to it. Successfully saved. Close out of here. Now just minimize it. Now you just need to locate your Roblox creation when navigating your Roblox profile guys. To do this, open up Chrome, go to Roblox website, log into your Roblox website guys. Now click on this three slash icon and select profile over here. Click on the creations. You can find all the currently published Roblox games guys. To publish the current Roblox game and make it available to play on Roblox server, you just need to go back to Roblox Studio and you just need to click on file, click on publish to Roblox as. Again you can select to overwrite a previous game or select to create a new game where you can create a new place to save your current Roblox Studio creation. Click on create. Your game will be then show up in the Roblox library guys in your Roblox profile. Click on close. Before publishing your game, it's suggested to go overwrite your Roblox game settings first. To do this, click on file, click on game settings. These settings allow you to change some basic game information guys. Change permission such as allow anyone on Roblox to play your game or only friends. You can change it whatever you want it before publishing your game guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.